Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to customize your Google background on your home page. As you can see here, it's just plain white, the regular Google background, but I want something cool. So I'm going to download a GIF photo of Lil Wayne. You can download any photo you'd like or a GIF. I'm going to save the image. But the trick about saving a GIF now, you'll have to change it right there to save at all. Oh, and I forgot, you also have to put the .png also for it to work. You have to put it into that format. So let me save it again. Yeah. Then click all files and save it. And after I've done that, you'll go back to the new tab. And then in the bottom right hand corner, you see customize with a pencil. You click on that. Then you simply drag the photo that you downloaded that you want to use, or the GIF, as you can see it here. You can just click on upload. Find it. There it is. And you can see it right there. Now that's my home page. Now that's sick. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.